Welcome to the HS&E Elevated Walking and Working Surfaces online training module. An elevated surface is defined as a walkway or working area that is 4 feet or 1.2 meters above the adjacent ground floor or level. This does not include fully enclosed halls, rooms, or offices. When employees or contractors are working at heights greater than 4 feet or 1.2 meters without a railing or net, fall protection must be used. Common types of elevated surfaces include open-sided floors, floor openings, catwalks, balconies, lofts, scaffolds, and ladders. Elevated surfaces can also be in the form of equipment, including personnel man lifts such as scissor lifts and aerial lifts, etc. Fall protection systems. When employees or contractors are working in elevated areas above 6 feet without proper railing, a full body harness should be used. Fall protection systems vary by location and situation. In general, all fall protection systems will have an anchor point, connectors, and a harness. Some fall protection systems require additional devices such as a deceleration device, a lanyard, or a lifeline. Designing a proper fall protection system may be complex and require some engineering expertise. Design requirements are not discussed in this training program. However, additional information can be obtained through the HSE department. Each facility where fall protection is used should have a designated competent person trained in the nature of fall hazards in the work area. The correct procedures for building, maintaining, disassembling, and inspecting the fall protection systems. Elevated surfaces. The danger zone for persons beneath elevated surfaces are directly below the elevated surface and the space within a 10-foot radius around the area. All personnel working in the same area should wear a hard hat. Barricades should be erected around the immediate area of the overhead work to keep others from entering the area. When working on elevated surfaces, keep tools, materials, and equipment from falling by securing them with rope or wire when possible, or by keeping them away from the edge of the elevated surface. Installation of a toe board or other type of barrier to keep objects from falling off the edge of an elevated surface is also advised. Scaffolds. When using scaffolding, avoid working from an incomplete scaffold or working on scaffolding during storms or high wind. Do not climb across braces or handrails. Never use the toe board as a support. When hoisting materials, use a tagline, bag, or bucket. Do not ride scaffolds. Be sure to set caster brakes when the scaffold is stationary. Keep all loose items in a container on the deck while work is in progress. Remove all materials, equipment, from the scaffold when the work is completed. Disassemble the scaffold as soon as possible when the job is completed. Only a competent person shall erect a scaffold, making sure it is done correctly with all scaffolding in proper condition.